Broken bones and fractures are not the most common type of injury in an automobile accident. In people that are injured in automobile accidents, between 10 and 15% end up having some type of fracture or some type of broken bone. And this is usually a leg, an ankle, maybe a wrist or an arm, maybe even ribs. And there's two types of fractures really. There's displaced fractures, which are ones that are out of place, meaning that the bones do not come back together and need to be put back together generally through a surgery. And there's non-displaced fractures, which maybe can be put together with a cast or maybe even a sling, because the bone will grow together perfectly because the bones have not been displaced. And for being a minor, maybe 10 to 15% of injuries, they are serious nonetheless because they take lots of time to heal and oftentimes take surgeries to heal, maybe even multiple surgeries. You'll be dealing with physical therapy, surgeries, cast, restrictions, maybe being off of work, and certainly not being able to do the things that you're used to doing when you have this type of injury. For all these reasons, these serious broken bones and fractures need to be remedied, and the way to remedy them is through filing a lawsuit and making sure that you get the compensation for your pain and suffering that you deserve. And when you're looking at attorneys, it's good to hire an attorney who not only knows the injuries and how they work and what's gone wrong with you, but also knows how to get the compensation you deserve and has been doing it for a long time. And here at the Clark Law Office, we've been doing this for over 30 years. And if you've been injured and you need help, we can help you, and we will be your attorney.